Hey, everybody. I attended a Copilot 365 training session this morning, and they covered a whole bunch of things. But I thought I would share with you this one nugget, which I think is going to be pretty helpful. Now that I have started teaching, one of the things that I found to be really time consuming is how to generate a PowerPoint for my first day of classes that essentially helps me cover the syllabus with the students in class, because you can never trust that they've actually read through it, right? But to create a PowerPoint presentation takes a while. And on the other hand, to just show a Word document on the screen may not be that helpful either. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a Word document and turn it into a PowerPoint presentation using Copilot. So let's take a look at how we do that. So here I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. I am using the desktop, but from what I understand, you can use the web version of PowerPoint to do this. Of course, you have to be licensed for Copilot for 365. So I'm going to get out of the way and let's take a look at how we do it. I'm going to launch Copilot here. And you can see here, it gives you the option to create presentation. But if I click on it, it's just a starter of that conversation. So I need to tell it using this file and then space /. It will go to my files that are stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. It will not work with my desktop files. So that's number one thing. In this particular case, I can see right here that my syllabus is available. So we're going to use this as the starting point. I'll show you at the end of the video how to use any file that you are storing in OneDrive or SharePoint. So click on that and submit. This will take quite a while, but not as long as it will take me to do this whole PowerPoint. So I'm going to just sit tight and I'm going to accelerate the video for you not to have to sit through the whole process. And I'll see you on the other end. So here you can see it's creating an outline based on the document. At first glance, it looks pretty accurate for what I need to get done. Notice that it is adding speaker notes. So here we go. The whole presentation's done for me. Again, I'm going to get out of the way and let's take a look at a couple of things. It's suggesting that you could use Designer to adjust your layouts. We'll get into that in a moment. Let's take a look here. And you can see that it's even added speaker notes, but it's still warning you. This is AI generated, it's incorrect. So it's your responsibility to make sure that everything that it produced for you is accurate. All right, so let's take a look at Designer. Notice that it created different graphics or found different graphics for me. Interestingly, if you do this several times over, I've done it a couple of times, it will create different presentation styles for you. So it will not always spit out the same cookie cutter thing, even from the same content. So we have here a whole bunch of slides. Let's say I wanted to have something with a graphic for my policies. Let's see if Designer gives me something better. So here we go. First option for Designer with a pen. That looks pretty good. The rest of it looks really great. So of course I will read with time. I will read through it, but I've just saved myself potentially over an hour of work just doing this. Now I'm going to cut away and show you how to do this when your desired file doesn't show up on the suggested list. So here we have a blank presentation. And we're going to go initially through the first steps that I showed you to get going. go to Copilot, and then again, create a presentation using this file. However, the file I want to use now, it's not any of these. And even here, right in that corner, there's a little gray arrow. So here it expands the number of files I could use, but I'm still not finding what I need. So it would seem like I am stuck, but no, we still have some other choices. So what I did was open this file here, which is a Word file that's sitting in OneDrive for me. And I am going to go to the share option in the menu. Here's the share button. So I'm going to click on that, and I am going to copy a link to the document. So link has been copied back to PowerPoint. I will paste that link in my prompt. And I am going to obscure the link because I don't want to share the link publicly. It's got my outline going. Now it's generating the slides. Added my speaker notes. Added graphics. So here we go. We have a draft of a presentation, in this case 7 slides, from a Word document. So huge time saver. I mean, I can't believe how quickly it's doing these things and how nicely. I mean, I spend time on my slides, but I mean, this is just going to be a game changer for my presentations moving forward. I hope you find it useful. I hope you can use it. And of course, share it with others. Spread the wealth. Be a hero. Until next one.